Yo, what up? This is Acrobatic. Minos. Yeah, I have a problem with the crew Die Antwoord. Yeah, apparently they're rappers from South Africa, where I am. And I don't know them. And they made this documentary about on how they hate black people and they calling black people niggers and stuff. And then there's this part where they chase this other guy in the event, telling him that he's not welcome in that event because he's black. Telling that guy that he's gonna die, swart doos or something like that, Afrikaans. And I have a problem with that, because that's racism, clean racism there, you know, not just to the Antwoord themselves, also to the organizers of that event, including the audience. You know what I mean? I'm not surprised that the Antwoord is racist. I'm just surprised that they have so much audience. It means something. It means there's a lot of racism happening in this country, including the international audience. They know what is wrong and they know what is right. They know that the word nigger is not allowed, is not supposed to be used against black people, especially by white men. The Antwoord, they white rappers. They rap in Afrikaans. They Afrikaans rappers. I double dare them. You know, I double dare the Antwoord to do the same documentary instead of using the word nigger. Ask them to use the word Kaffir and see the feedback they would get from South African audience. They will get a huge feedback from the South Africa because we know what the word Kaffir means, which is raw because the word Kaffir is exactly, in fact, equivalent to the word nigger. But now I have a problem with South Africans not respecting the word nigger the same way as we respect Kaffir. Because we know that white people in South Africa, including colored people, in fact, including black people, we are not allowed to use the word Kaffir in South Africa. But we are so happy to use the word nigger. You know, black people do use the word Kaffir, but in their languages. Like if you were to speak Xhosa, you'll be like Nsaya ekafile. You know what I mean? But I'm pretty sure if you are white and you would say this very same thing in your language, you'll be in deep shit, you know. But people are very, like, I don't think they value the word nigger the same way as they value the word kafir. So that is a problem on its own. But the Antwoord, no man, fuck the Antwoord. They're not even creative. We don't listen to the Antwoord in South Africa. They should be glad they have like international audience because we don't listen to that nonsense in South Africa. We have like good Afrikaans rappers here. We have a lot of good rappers in South Africa. We have a lot of talented people. The Antwoord are not talented. They're just looking for attention, and they're not gonna get attention up until they start touching, points. Actually, that's what they're looking for. They're looking for the attention. See, now they're gonna be all over the news because now they're dissing black people and they're telling black people that they're not welcome in places. Now they're gonna get audience. But I'm asking them to do the same documentary, hating on black people, and use the word kafir. You will see. Even you Americans who are fans of Die Antwoord, you will see the reaction the South Africans will give when they are using the word kafir. But they're not giving the same reactions when they are using the word nigger, which I don't understand because the word to me is the same. If you're calling me a nigger, it's the same as you calling me a kafir, especially if you're white. The word kafir is not even allowed to be used by Indians. Uh, 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 Colored people. Colored people are not allowed. I had AKA using the word nigger. I was like, okay, I don't understand. Because he's not allowed to use the word kafir in South Africa, but he is allowed to use the word nigger. Don't understand. But nah, other than that, fuck the Antwoord, fuck the audience, fuck people who work with, fuck your international audience. If they think what you guys doing is cool, no, then fuck them too. Well, fuck all of you guys. I don't give a fuck. Stupid ass music, no talent, nothing.